All right, so in order to clean that fuel injector, you get this little kit here that has a basically a pair of alligator clips and it comes with two ends. This is the big one. It fits this fuel injector. And it'll plug in there. But yeah, you plug that to your battery or power source, and then I just plug the negative, and you want to tap the positive instead of holding it on because it's the injector gets kind of warm. So plug this in here, and first thing we're going to do is make sure the injector fires. This is keyed, so you can only plug it one way. Now if you listen, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. So that's the injector opening as I tap the battery here. Okay, so I've proven that works. Now I'm going to clean. There's a filter in this end that I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to spray that to clean it. Okay, so a couple sprays in there, and that looks good. Now the other part of the kit is this. Well, actually, I need to clean the pintle cap first. This is what the pintle cap is. That's the thing that defines the spray pattern. So I'm going to clean the inner circle of that first because that's the one that actually does the work. So what I do is I take a Q-tip and I'm going to pull most of the cotton off of it because it's too big to get in the hole. So I think I pulled some off and now I've made kind of a tip. We'll see if that'll work. I'll wet it with some the carb cleaner stuff. That's just carb cleaner that I was spraying, and see if I can get that in the hole. If I do, it should come out black, or kind of black. Yeah. So there, you see the ugliness that came out of it.
Sort of, yeah.
Okay. And you can also look inside the pintle cap and see that it's clean. So I give it a little more, a couple more swirls. Yeah, you can really tell that it's become the shape of the pintle cap, and if you look in the pintle cap, it's now clean on the inside. So, all right, so now we're ready to do the spray test. This is the other part of the kit, and I created this with another piece of hose. I actually trimmed down the end of this hose so this would fit in here. This is a larger hose than I need for what goes on here, but it allows me to easily pull it off once I'm done. So that goes in the hole inside this. This replaces the cap on the carb cleaner spray. So get that in there good, and then this goes on there. So when you buy this kit, I got it for like 10 bucks off eBay. It came with 2 of these with different size holes, and then 2 of the cables. Buy that first before you go out and buy your carb cleaner, because you need the one that has the right size tip right here. They do vary. This is a male tip, some have a female tip, and some have a skinnier male tip. So you need this one that fits this. It'll fit in the hole. Okay. Now, so that's just sitting on there right now. So I'm gonna hold this and install the injector in the hole. I'm gonna need to keep this on the ground, so I need to get closer. Okay. So get the injector in there. Now, there's enough pressure to push the whole injector out of here, so you got to kind of hold the whole thing together with, finger wrapped around here, holding the injector backwards into it, and then be able to push down, and hopefully we'll be able to see the spray pattern. So, and of course the pattern only happens when you activate the injector. Right, so here, let's see if we can get the spray pattern pointing toward you so you can see it better. Okay, so here we go. So I don't know if you can see the pattern, but the pattern looks really good. It was spraying all the way to the bumper of the bus. So I think that's clean now, and it proves that the injector works. So that's basically how you clean these out. Now a couple more taps and we might get some more dripping out. Yeah, there's nothing. So yeah, that's basically all that's involved in cleaning an injector.